Hey guys, this is Dylan coming at you from Flight Performance and Fitness in Newton, Mass. And today I'm going to give you the first video of our 5-day form fix. We're going to start off with the squat. So we're going to work with a bottom-up approach here. What you can see with Jared, as he descends down, this is a problem with a lot of people, get the feet collapsing, the knees collapsing, really having no tension coming out of the squat. What this will do is put a lot of stress on the knees and hips, okay? So what we're going to do to get rid of that is work on rooting. So this works a lot better if bare feet, you can really see what's going on. What I'm going to have him do is take his big toe, his pinky toe, and his heel, drive into the ground hard as he can, and then spread the floor. So what that's going to do, as you can see, is create a nice little arch. It's going to create a lot of tension throughout the chain. His glutes should be lighting up as he's doing that. And as he descends here, you'll see his knees track right with his feet and his hips stay stable from side to side. He's got tension throughout the whole chain. So I'm going to have to pick up a little bit of load, go through the same process, big toe, pinky toe, heel, ripping the floor. He's got constant tension throughout, a lot more powerful, a lot more stable, coming through the whole position. Give that a try and make sure you check out our day 2 form fix for the squat.